Today, we are going to be installing the new DRT Motorsports rear bumper for Can-Am 2026 Defender HD11. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Install bumper mounting brackets. To begin this installation, first remove the 4 bolts securing the heat shield. Using an impact driver with a 10mm socket, remove all 4 bolts and set them aside for reuse. Next, position the first bracket against the vehicle's frame and align it with the mounting points. Insert the provided M8 bolts through the bracket and frame. You can gently pull the heat shield down to gain enough access to install the washer and nut on the backside of each bolt. Using a 10mm wrench and a 4mm hex tool, tighten the hardware and secure the bracket in place. Once the first bracket is securely installed, repeat the same process on the opposite side of the vehicle. Step 2. Install rear bumper. Begin by aligning the bumper mounting tabs with the brackets. Note, the tabs are designed to sit on the outside of the brackets. Once aligned, insert one of the provided M10 bolts through the first mounting hole on each side to hold the bumper in place while you install the remaining hardware. Next, align the bumper with the heat shield. Once properly positioned, reinstall the factory hardware using an impact driver with a 10mm socket. Note, your hardware kit includes 2 short M6 bolts, which were added to support an additional mounting point. You'll notice an extra mounting hole on each side of the bumper, located just outside of the main mounting points used with the heat shield. These holes align with threaded mounting locations in the vehicle's frame. You can now finish securing the bumper to the brackets. A drift pin can be helpful for aligning the mounting holes if needed. Once everything is properly aligned, begin installing the M10 hardware. After all bolts are hand-threaded, tighten them using an impact driver with a 15mm socket while holding the nut with a 17mm wrench. Once one side is fully secured, repeat the same process on the opposite side. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the Dirt with DRT.